my wife and I just bought our 42nd rental house. And actually, it's mixed. There's 35 rental houses and 7 commercial. Anyhow, wanted to show you this, just kind of give a perspective here. But this one's really bad. We got it. I'll tell you a little bit about the deal. It's a 3-bed, 1-bath house in Farmington, New Mexico. We paid $115,000, but only $50,000 of it was cash at closing. The other $65,000 was a real estate contract that we have 5 months to pay off at 0% interest. Typically, we'll do a burst strategy, but this time we're going to do a fix and flip, and I'll tell you why. I'm not loving the interest rates, if you will, at this time, and so I want to get my cash back out of this and have more cash on hand in this current market. But I wanted to show you this place. So I'm going to show you some risks of this house too. One of which I've got to replace the roof. I know that now. And then I'll show you the little bit of a layout and show you what I'm thinking. And then I would love to hear your comments and what your thoughts are on my idea on how to bring the most value. There is one house that just came available today. Same exact layout, same exact square footage. And it's listed for $235,000. So again, we bought this at $115,000. It's been upgraded, but you can tell the upgrades are probably about 10 years old now. And so I think we can really compete with that. Now I have a time frame on this of about 2 months. So I want to be done with this in 2 months time. So, all right, let's get into it. So we've already been doing some work. As a matter of fact, this landscaping was really bad, and you can see this cement slab, or the cement entry, is not great either. So that's going to be getting cleaned up. The living room, it's a decent size. We're going to open that window up into the kitchen. And what I'm going to show you is how we plan to make this great. So again, it's 3-bed, 1-bath now. This is where the kitchen is currently located. And then we've got this room back there that was the dryer, and I don't know what else was used back there. There's really no evidence of what it was. And then across the kitchen, you can see the washer dryer hookups. Just the closed washer hookups are in the kitchen, which, that's not how things are done these days. This is a converted garage. We'll put a closet in here, so it's an actual bedroom. So my thoughts are, love to hear your thoughts. All the plumbing's right here, and I'll show you this other bathroom. What the plan is to convert this bathroom, the only bathroom, and make it the master, create a doorway here that goes into this bedroom back here, and then we seal off this bathroom. We'll close this off and have a linen closet. What's interesting about this area is that it has this weird kick out. The water heaters on this left side, and then we have some shelving, but I'd like to bring the wall up to this line so it extends this bathroom out and makes it a little bit larger. And then we can make it a true master bath. Here's one of the bedrooms. Not much to see here. A little linen closet there. But again, that'll make this closet smaller. We'll put the door here, close this portion off, and that'll actually go into this bathroom, and then we'll make this closet extend out to that other linen closet there, and make that a true master. Now, what does that do to our thoughts? Because you can add a lot of value to a house if you can add another bathroom, and that's our plan here. So we want to add a bathroom here and shift the kitchen down this direction and utilize that empty room for the dining room. So we're going to shift the entire kitchen down. This door is going to get removed. That window will get removed, and I'm going to put a nice sliding glass door there. We'll move this window down as well because the outside needs to be stuccoed anyway. No harm, no foul there. And then we'll shift this, and I'll put some plans in the video, but we'll shift this over where we have the washer dryer here in this space, a sink, toilet, and then a shower, all utilizing that the plumbing that's in that wall. And then the current sink, the kitchen sink plumbing, will have to shift down, as well as that gas line to accommodate for the range, so into the kitchen space. This will allow for a U-shaped kitchen. It'll be U-shaped to about here and U-shape over. And then again, this will be our walkway into the kitchen in this area. But anyway, I'd love to hear your thoughts. This is probably my 30th rehab or so, but if you've got ideas, I'd love to hear them. I appreciate you watching, and hope, I didn't mention, but this is set to make a profit of about $50,000. The risks we have here is this is a evap cooler and a wall heater, and there's only one wall heater and one evap cooler vent. So I need to get this vented through the rest of the house and add more heating. The current thought is maybe a mini split or an HVAC system, but those can run upwards to $20,000, and it just might not be worth that. But with the caliber of flip that we want to do, we've got to do something with heating and cooling. Anyhow, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment. Please like the video and share it if you're interested in real estate and real estate investing, burst strategy, and fix and flips. Appreciate your time.